Alright, I should be live on YouTube at Ohio Weather Watchers. And get it set up. Maybe intercept a storm or two here this evening. Big time storm chasers are in Columbus right now. But hello everybody. Jeff with Ohio Weather Watchers here on YouTube. We're starting to see some of those storms off to our west that I'm heading towards. Tornado watch on until 7 p.m. for most of central Ohio this evening. We're going to get out here and see if any of them are heading your way. Coming up to the Pickaway County line right now, out of Fairfield County, halfway between Circleville and Lancaster, on U.S. Route 22, I'm sorry, 22. Oh, look at all of that. Cloud up there on that one storm cell to the north and west, northwest corner, Pickaway County, up towards Mount Sterling. Looks like there is a wall cloud with that right over there. Some rotation right there, it looks like. Very interesting. There we go, there's a rain shaft back over there now. To our left. Just drove through with some large hail, very heavy rain. Looks like there's a little bit of wind up in this area right here. As that storm passed through here, the hell is going to be over on the other side of Darbyville. Oh, we got some big towers brewing over to the west of us now. West-southwest.
Echo 8, Charlie Victor Papa with the weather update. Fairfield County, along with Fayette County, Licking County, and Pickaway County are now all under a tornado watch. Repeating, Fairfield County, Fayette County, Licking County, and Pickaway County are all under a tornado watch. KE8 CVP.
Well, that's old news. That's old news, Devon. That's my buddy Devon, just trying to keep us updated. Copy that, Devon, KE8AME from north central Pickaway County. And I've been in a pretty good storm over here in Pickaway County. It was large hail and tons of heavy rain and lightning. But right now, I'm watching storms both to my east and to my west. So keep our eyes open. I'm going to try to catch back up to this one that's off to my east. If I don't decide to try to stay and wait on the one that's off to my west. We'll catch you in a little bit, K8AME.
K8AME, this is K8CVV. Good copy there, Jeff. You stay safe out there. Clear listening.
Roger that. I'll stay safe. I know where to be and where not to be when these storms are trying to produce tornadoes. I've seen some rotation. Got it on the live stream there a little bit ago, so we'll be good. Catch you later. K8AME. Okay, guys. See if we can turn around here and get a look maybe at these towers that are blowing up. Oh, yeah. Blowing up off to my west, southwest, and are headed right at me. These could turn into more big thunderstorms. There's more further off to the west right there, trying to get into a big anvil shape over here behind this pine tree. I don't know if you can see much of that, but there's the tip of it. Starting to poke out there. And these are just
severe thunderstorm warning K8
climbing high. And then off to my east, skies are very dark. Starting to see more lightning. Actually looking a little green over there.
Attention, severe thunderstorm warning.
Severe thunderstorm warning for Fairfield County. That's a new severe thunderstorm warning. I think what we're going to do is head back east. We're going to chase that storm. We were already on that storm. I don't think they'll mind. Okay, let's tilt this back. There we go. Now you can get a better view. Quarter size hail, 60 mile an hour wind gusts. I'm getting the camera out. I'll be right back with you guys. I gotta jump out for Green. I got a pretty good lowering right in front of me right here. Look at this. Look at that. Wow, you can see that on the screen now. Not seeing a lot of motion in there. There's a little bit. I'm not seeing a lot of motion, a lot of rotation. Pretty low hanging still cloud again. Anyways, good place. Get strong gusty winds. Visibility is about 400 feet, 500 feet maybe. I'm gonna pull off the road. I'm gonna pull off the road. This is absolutely insane right now. I'm getting large hail. Trying to get untangled. Hold on. Large hail. Quarter-sized hail right now, I think it is. I've seen a few chunks laying on the ground here. This is KE8AME. I've had to pull off the highway. I'm getting quarter-sized hail, pea-sized, quarter-sized, and a lot of it. I'm on US 23, just a mile or two east of Amanda. Everybody's slowing down. You can't see but about 400 feet in front of you. The rain is sideways. The wind's blowing 50, 60 mile an hour. I'm in a safe spot off the road. Get back to you shortly. KE8AME.
Hey there, Jeff. I'm watching your live feed now. Yeah, your visibility is very, very low. I do not advise you continuing on in the middle of the storm. You seem to be right in the midst of it, so it'd probably be a good idea to pull over and wait this one out. KE8CVP, clear listening.
Roger that. Yeah, I'm holding the camera up so everyone can see. And maybe see some of this hail. It's gotten smaller now. It's mostly just pea size. There for a couple minutes it was quarter size, dime size. There's still a lot of it, but it's smaller. Gusty winds. I'm waiting on some trees to break off. There's trees over here across the road that are moving pretty good now. Hopefully we can get some of that on the screen. But anyway, I'm gonna sit here and ride it out for a few minutes. KE8AME. There you go, people. That's how amateur radio and severe weather can keep everybody informed. Amateur radio and the live stream. I got a lot of friends there in the amateur radio world, and I gotta say hats off to those guys for keeping up with everything. And these trees are, I don't know if you can see them trees moving very much because of all this rain on the window, but they're shaking and raking. The rain's starting to let up a little bit here. I'm gonna let it settle down for a couple of minutes before I go any further. Still visibility is low ahead of me, but it's...
This is KE8CVP. Did I hear you just mark, brother?
But it's looking a little better behind me now.
I'm dry. Sunny skies to the west and to the north. A little dark to the south and a little noisy to the west. Dry and sunny. Major red.
Visibility's starting to improve. The hail's quit and the rain's letting up. There's another big chunk of hail just hit the back. KE8AME. I'm getting bombed by hail all over again. It quit for a minute, and now it's starting back up again. Looking at pea size, dime size again. It's increasing in size. I'm going to try to catch a piece and show it on the screen. east of Amanda on 22. I have not moved.
Good copy. Paul just chimed in here in a minute to give us an update regarding his location out in Lysopolis, saying that he has clear skies at the moment. And I'm here in town, here in Lancaster, and the storm seems to be subsiding. No hail, no thunder. I'm not hearing any lightning at the moment, and rainfall is also diminished in our area.
Yeah, roger that. I do want to say that there was a second cell developing behind that first cell, so that's what I'm experiencing right now. It'll probably make it into town here in the next few minutes, and I think I'm now on the back side of that cell. And I'm starting to see brighter skies here, and had that one last blast of hail, dime size this time, and now the rain's letting up again. Visibility's getting better all of a sudden. So there's quite a bit of little debris on the roads from the trees. That's how hard the wind was blowing. It's still blowing pretty good, but there's small twigs and limbs all over the road up and down. K8 AME getting ready to follow this storm into town. K8, I'll be clear and listening as we speak. Whoa, big lightning. Lincoln Avenue is really flooded. There's probably 6 to 8 inches of water in the street here in places. We got major street flooding. Major street flooding. Pierce Avenue, south of Fair Avenue, and north of Cedar Hill Drive has about 7 or 8 inches of water on it, and we got assholes driving by. Sorry about the language, but this is some pretty deep water here in the street. How about that noise? There we go. They got me wet. Put some water right in the window. This is KE8 AME with one last report for Fairfield County for Lancaster. Pierce Avenue is flooded just north of Cedar Hill, south of Fair Avenue, south of 6th Avenue, right there. Well, really just below where the Anchor Hawking Glass Factory is. And also there's a little bit of tree debris on the road on Cedar Hill. Just drove through that water, got water splashed in my face because somebody was going too fast, and you know how people are. But anyway, I am going to shoot down into that storm in Hawking County. It's the same storm we've been chasing, and I'm going to try to get back on it. All of our big-time storm chasers are down there. Vince Walty and Brandon Kopic. Brandon Kopic's from right here in Ohio. And I think Corey Gherkin might be on it too, and he's from here in Ohio. So I'm going back over here to the bypass, and I'm going to shoot down into Hawking County and see what's going on down there.